everybody, welcome back to another video about dentcoin. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the dentcoin, but before starting this video I request everybody to subscribe my channel and this video is very special message for all dentcoin holders, so never miss any second of this video. Let's start this video, my friends. So let's first of all I will share the latest opinion. After that we discuss the message of dentcoin holders. The current price of the dentcoin is now in the market is $0.002493 USD. That is the currently latest price of the dentcoin in the market. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the dentcoin, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative, the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the dentcoin is positive. Positive, my friends, positive changes occur in the dentcoin. Just the last 1 hour, 60-minute changes is negative. Let me show you the price chart of the dentcoin for more and better understanding. Absolutely, my friends, in a previous time the price jumps, but if you look the latest situation of the dentcoin, so now the latest situation of the dentcoin is going positive. I think it is the beginning of a huge pump. And you know what, it is the beginning of a new month, it is the beginning of August, so possibilities, my friends, possibilities that dentcoin is now in the huge pump. We can't say about the future, but possibilities. So now the special message is that please buy now more and more dentcoin. I hope the future of the dentcoin is bright and they will give you profit, huge profit. So buy now. What is your opinion? What is your price prediction about dentcoin? Also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.